One of BYD's most anticipated small EV models is the 2027 BYD Atto 2, which is intended to appeal to drivers seeking an economical, technologically sophisticated, and practical electric vehicle for daily use. The Atto 2 symbolizes BYD's dedication to expanding accessibility by developing a model that balances innovation and practicality as electromobility continues to gain traction globally. This car places more emphasis on use, comfort, and efficiency than luxury or high performance, values that appeal greatly to urban and suburban consumers looking for a dependable and affordable electric companion. The 2027 BYD Atto 2's bodywork is designed with a modern, fresh aesthetic that prioritizes aerodynamic efficiency and simplicity. Because of its modest size, it can squeeze into narrow parking spaces, move through congested city streets, and handle heavy traffic. The sleek, simple body shapes avoid overly dramatic design signals, while yet projecting a contemporary, appealing appearance with a distinctive light pattern that makes the Atto 2 instantly identifiable day or night. LED lighting components add to the device's high-tech appearance. A closed-off grille and a streamlined rear profile are two subtle aerodynamic improvements that contribute to the car's increased range and energy efficiency. The 2027 Atto 2's interior embodies BYD's design concept of clever integration and clean lines. Because of ingenious engineering and a focus on optimizing usable space, the interior seems surprisingly spacious despite its small size. A level floor, thin seatbacks, and an upright dashboard arrangement create an airy atmosphere that makes it comfortable for passengers. In keeping with the vehicle's eco-friendly purpose, the materials utilized are selected for their sustainability as well as their longevity. A digital interface that houses infotainment controls, climate functions, navigation, and vehicle settings is at the heart of the interior experience. The system's user-friendly design reduces distractions and enables drivers to concentrate on the road while still enjoying the advantages of link driving. The 2027 BYD Atto 2's performance is designed with everyday commuters' demands in mind rather than those of thrill seekers. With fast torque available for rapid acceleration from a stop, the electric motor offers enough power for confident and seamless urban driving. When merging into fast-moving lanes or in situations with heavy traffic, this immediacy is very helpful. The battery technology is designed to minimize the need for frequent charging by providing a useful driving range appropriate for majority of daily activities. BYD's fast charging capabilities enable drivers to swiftly recharge their battery when charging is necessary, keeping the Atto 2 practical and effective even for people with hectic schedules. The Atto 2's identity is centered on safety, and a full range of driver assistance technologies are anticipated to be included in the 2027 model. For both short and long voyages, these devices increase alertness, provide assistance to the driver in difficult circumstances, and increase security. A comprehensive safety package includes features including adaptive cruise control, lane support, automated emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Additionally, BYD's electric platform has a low center of gravity, which enhances handling and stability while minimizing body roll when cornering, a feature that is particularly helpful for novice EV drivers. All things considered, the 2027 BYD Atto 2 is made to satisfy the demands of a wide variety of drivers by providing an accessible, effective, and comfortable electric car. It prioritizes comfort, technology, safety, and usefulness over ostentatious features or overpowering luxury, which are what really matter when driving on a daily basis. BYD's goal to democratize electric transportation is symbolized by the Atto 2, which also shows that electric vehicles can be reasonably priced without sacrificing style or quality. The 2027 BYD Atto 2 is a formidable competitor in the small EV market thanks to its well-considered design, intuitive technology, and well-rounded performance, which offers an alluring fusion of innovation and practicality.